Most people are familiar with the concept of cremation. We've seen it on television, in movies, and read about it in books. So we all have a basic understanding of what cremation means. But in truth, cremation is not always as simple and straightforward as many think. This process is carefully executed by professionals. It's only natural to think of cremation as perhaps the only decision to make, but it's really the first of many decisions. Whether planning for yourself or for a loved one, there are many details and choices to consider. Similar to a traditional service, cremation allows for visitations, as well as traditional funerals or memorial gatherings to celebrate a life well lived. These moments are important because remembrance, celebration, and tribute gives those left behind solace during a time of grieving. It's important to identify and clarify the values, practices, and beliefs significant to you and your family to guide the decisions you will make. When cremation is chosen, there are still many options available to you to memorialize and commemorate. An urn in a traditional plot alongside a bench, a scenic nature setting, an above-ground niche, or even a crypt. The number of options and knowing how they can be personalized to suit your wishes is important. Imagine the support and guidance a professional could give you in planning cremation. Whether you are planning for your own needs or the needs of a loved one, the support and knowledge to manage the process one decision at a time will give you the peace of mind to make the right choices. The experienced team of professionals at Arbor Memorial is able and available to guide you through all your wishes and needs.